They can fly. They have feathers. What are they? They are said Vincent, Amazon Parrot. They live in rainforests and in said Vincent. They can fly. They can talk. They are colorful. They have wings. The said Vincent Amazon Parrot eat berries. They find water in rivers. They live in Saint Vincent, a small island. The said parrot Amazon are colorful. You don't want to miss. It has beak to eat. They have wings to fly. How is the habitat changing? How are animals losing what they need to survive? The people cut down trees. People glitter. No habitat, no food, no water. People kill them. How else is the said parrot Amazon getting hurt? People keep them for pets. People cut down trees and no more trees to live. How can we help? Don't cut trees down. Don't throw trash. Don't keep them for pets. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Ming. I like to move my character around. Bye bye.